good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Welcome. Today I am making hotteok, or pan-fried bread as you call it, or as I call it. This recipe is taken directly from Maangchi. The dough is really simple to make. All you need really is all-purpose flours and yeast. Right off the bat, as you can tell, I did not follow the original recipe, which calls for lukewarm water instead of milk. But I just thought, why not fancy up a little bit? I don't know if it makes any difference, but we'll see. I just love toasted sesame seeds, whether that be black or white. I added 1/4 cup. You could go for 1 cup. It doesn't really matter. I find it very easy to mix the dry and the wet ingredients together using a spoon or a spatula. And the dough at the end, it's not too sticky, and also no kneading is really required here.
Listen to me too. We both listen to each other.
All right, we'll listen to each other.
When you say whatever you said, I will do whatever you said. When I said something to you, you have to listen what I said.
Okay, now we're crossing the street right now.
Okay.
Hold on, see if there's cars both sides. Okay. Look carefully. Alright, we have 16 seconds, 15 seconds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Be careful, there's a pond. This way. 9 seconds.
9 seconds?
Yes. This way. Ready? Be careful, jump. Woo. Very good.
Look, we got it. We're going to the ice cream aisle. We shouldn't be a shopping cart.
Place your ice.
Okay.
Hey, I'm back. So it's been 2 or 3 hours right now since I started proofing. The dough looks flat, and I assume that's because my kitchen's a little cold, so it has not been fully proofed yet. Nonetheless, I still proceeded, and it turned out to be fine. I have this can of whole corn kernels from last year that's in my fridge. So I wanted to use it. I also crushed and toasted some peanuts to be used as fillings instead of opting for the classic brown sugar with cinnamon. Wait, where's the music? Oh my gosh, the dough is so delicious. They're chewy, they're crunchy. The filling is a little questionable, but we'll talk about that later.
Sorry guys. I'm actually good at driving. I wanted to try when I was a real kid.